Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, I'll walk you through the student enrollment process in CoachZippy. Before I proceed, I'm assuming you've watched my CoachZippy overview videos in order to understand how it all works and comes together. So here is a school that I created. It's called How to Tutorials, in which I will be creating several courses. This is the default sales page. And in the top right corner, a student can sign up for free by using this free sign up link. However, they will only have access to the school and not the courses. So essentially, they would have to sign up for each of the courses within that school. If I scroll down, you will see that I currently have only one course in the school. And if I click on it, it'll open the sales page for this particular course. They can then click the Enroll in Course button, and it'll bring them to the course pricing section. And if they click this Enroll button, they will be redirected to the course sign-up page. Let me scroll down. They can then enter their name and email address, verify that they are not a bot, and then click Sign Up. They will then get a confirmation indicating that the email has been sent to them. So this is what the default welcome email message looks like with their login credentials. By the way, this welcome message can be customized, and I will show this to you in a separate tutorial. So let's go back to the confirmation page. The student can click here to log in, enter their login credentials, click Login, and they will be brought to the Members Community Hub. Under My Courses, they can access all the courses they purchased or have access to. In this case, there's only one course, and if they click on it, it will take them directly to the course content. So here we are in the first lecture of the course, and once they complete this lecture, they can click the Complete and Continue button, confirm by clicking Yes, and then they can proceed to the next lecture. And once they complete this lecture, they follow the same process, and accordingly, the lectures will be marked as complete. They can click this profile icon in the top right corner and choose Dashboard, which will redirect them to the settings page, where they can upload a profile picture, change their name, email address, and password. If they go to the dashboard, they will be brought back to the Members Community Hub. Under All Courses, it will display all courses within that school. Currently, there's only one course. And like I mentioned earlier, under My Courses, they can access all the courses they are enrolled in. If you are the course instructor, you will get 2 notification emails similar to this one, depending on your settings. So this one is the notification that a student has enrolled in the course, and the second one is the notification that a student has joined the school. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.